So guys, in today's video I will tell you how you can earn money online through TeraBox. How can you earn? I am going to tell you all the details step by step in this video. I am here on my mobile screen. You can see here I searched. There is TeraBox on Play Store. Here you will see an app with 100 million. To install it, you have to click on Simply Install. This app is of 81.91 MB, once it is installed. Then I will explain the further process to you, what you have to do next in it. So from here our app has been installed. Then you will get the option to open from here. You have to click on just open here and here. We'll ask you to accept the privacy policy. From here you have to accept its privacy policy, and after that you have to log into it. To log in, you will get these two options here. You can log in through Facebook or you can log in through Google account here. If you can do this, then I click on continue with Google. After this I have to create an account from here. So to select the account, I have entered an email ID here. I select this email ID from here, so I click on this email ID. As soon as I click on this, automatic photo backups will come like this. Or if there is this option of automatic video backup, then what you have to do is to select both these options. You have to turn it off first because whatever photos or videos are inside your mobile phone will be saved in this. But the backup will be done, but we do not want to do the backup, so from here you have to select the complete option. You have to click on, and after clicking on the complete option, you will get this monthly payment from here. You will see a pay of 320 rupees monthly, but you don't have to pay anything from here. You have to skip above. You will get the option of, you have to click on the skip option, and as soon as you click on the skip option, if you click on the option, then from here you can decide whether you want its notification or not, or you can allow it. You can also do, don't allow, if you do not want its notifications. After this app will open in front of you in this way. Now inside it you will see this logo on the top. You have to click on this logo. When you click on this logo, in this way here you will see all these things about this app. Inside this you will see an option here, Webmaster. So what you have to do is go to this Webmaster option. As soon as you click on it, from here you will come to this page. Now here you can see, you can join it, join TeraBox Webmaster. When you join this, what benefits are you going to get from here first? Showing you here new users. Every new user you bring in can earn you up to $1.20, so here you will earn $1.20 from here whatever you are a new user. If someone comes here through your link, then this is what they have told about their first earning. Now secondly, from here, I scrolled down and the video reached here. Please play for it. For every 100 views you can earn up $2. If you upload any video here and that video gets 1,000 views. If yes, then you will get up to $2 from here, and you will get the third option here. You can check out paid content, set flexible price for your content up to $100. But link, what you can do here is you can add your own content, which includes, you can easily earn up to $100. So these were the three methods through which you can earn here. You can earn from it. Now you know how to join it, so there is a very easy way to join. There is a simple way. You have to click here on this blue button and join this plan. In this way, you have to click on join this plan here. As soon as you click on it, this interface will open in front of you. We click on I got it, click on next. From here it will show you all these features, through which features you can earn from here. Whatever you earn will be shown in your balance. Here it will show you the total income of this balance. Now in what ways can you earn here? So new users, if you are new. Users bring share to earn rewards. Now like I told you, it was in the beginning itself. As soon as you click on it, you agree and share it from here. If you do this, then you will see new users and visits and your earnings from here. Now second is the referral program here, so invite to become your distribution station master. You can share up to 10% of the profit here, so you have to click on share here. Yes, and here it will show your earning. Terra Stream will show it to you here if you want to try it. This is new here. Now how will it work in this? So give it a try. So you have to click on give it a try, and when you click here, you will see this. The option to upload the video will come from here. You can upload the video from here, like my YouTube channel. This is a channel. I can upload my videos, but if you have any videos, you can upload them. You can also upload from here. You can earn up to $45 for every 1,000 views. And from here you can share it to many other places. You will see these levels below. It will show you all the levels here, and now I will show you all the other things here. Let me boost your income with TeraBox referral program. First of all, you can join the referral program. You can also earn from here through K. If you bring new users, then you will get $1.20. Multiple options plans here. You will see video plays if you get 1,000 views here. If you have 30,000 views daily on your video, then you will get $2 from here if you bring it here. If you come here, then you can easily earn up to $420 on paid content if you upload any of your files. If you put it and share its link, then you can earn up to $100 by setting the link here. Now how much can you earn? Now here's how much you can earn. He has given all the details here as you can see here. Now suppose I upload a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. I put a lot of links in it. If I post any one of those videos here, I will post it on my channel. If I put it in the description, then many of my users will come to this and see the files. We'll go to this and I will earn a lot. So if you have traffic, if you have users, then you can earn a lot of money online through this platform through TeraBox. You can earn. You will get the option to sign in here. It is very simple. You can do it here. But click on sign in. I have already told you to sign up on this, so you can easily earn a lot of money online by signing up on this, so TeraBox. It is very easy to earn online through this. You just need to have traffic and users. If you have users, then you can earn a lot online from here.